Hello friends, today we discuss about the Kegel exercises. Kegel exercises are the exercises for the pelvic floor muscles which definitely help bowel, bladder problem and urinary incontinence in general. Pelvic floor is a group of muscles that surrounds the pelvic structure, the vagina, uterus, rectum. These are the muscles give control over bladder. Let's we see benefits of Kegel exercises. Number 1 benefit, Kegel exercises strengthen pelvic floor muscles. Number 2, Kegel exercises primarily aid men with urinary incontinence. Number 3, Kegel exercises greatly improves control over ejaculation. Number 4, Kegel exercises treat post-micturition dribble. Number 5, Kegel exercises treat erectile dysfunction problem. Number 6, these exercises are absolutely free. 4 best Kegel exercises I have described in my video. You can watch them by clicking the link present in description. अगर आपने अभी तक मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो नीचे दिए गए सब्सक्रिप्शन के बटन को क्लिक कर दें और घंटी के बटन को दबा दें ताकि आप मेरे आने वाली हर नई वीडियो से अपडेट होते रहें।